This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jeff Smith. This great home is located in the very desirable neighborhood of The Landing. The floor plan is an open concept. The kitchen has beautiful granite countertops, a built-in wine cooler, and all appliances are included. The kitchen is open to the breakfast area and family room. The family room has a vaulted ceiling and fireplace. The home features a master bedroom with a vaulted ceiling and a master bath with double vanity, jetted tub with a separate shower and walk-in closet. The split floor plan features 2 additional bedrooms and a second bathroom. The home has a wonderful screened-in porch and a nice backyard, as well as a nice storage building that matches the design of the home. Public boat ramp for Lake Blackshear 1/4 mile away. Call for a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Smith at 229-273-4132.